If you've ever wanted to start your own social media marketing agency and scale it beyond 6 figures, keep watching this video. Hey guys, how's it going? Bradley Riley here, founder and creator of the Social Media Marketing Academy program. And in this video today, I'm gonna be teaching you 3 big lessons that I've learned running a 6-figure social media marketing agency. Now, just before we jump into the video, if you are new around here, be sure to hit that subscribe button and turn on that notification bell so you don't miss another video. Be sure to join the community and let's jump into it. So the first big lesson I've learned running a 6-figure agency is that you have to be willing to delegate. You have to, by all means, build a team, because if you don't start to automate and hire and again delegate certain parts of your business, you're really going to struggle to scale, full stop. Okay, if you're doing the lead generation for your business, if you're doing the sales calls, if you're onboarding the clients, if you're then doing fulfillment for the clients, doing the social media management posting, running the ads, sending reports, getting on monthly client meetings and doing all of that, and being the accounts person and being the marketing person, you're really going to struggle to scale beyond 6 figures. So the first thing you need to understand is delegation is good. You know, in my agency now, every single part of my business is 100% automated outside of sales calls, okay? My position as CEO of the business is to innovate my company and drive new revenue, okay? I'm the face of the business. I'm happy to hop on sales calls with prospects and close more deals. That's my position. But everything else, lead generation, getting leads through the doors, that's completely automated, okay? I have an assistant who does outreach on LinkedIn, Upwork, and other freelance websites and sets me up meetings. Service delivery, social media management, copywriting, ads. I have an accountant. All of that stuff is taken care of, which gives me the time freedom to focus on scale. So the first big lesson that you need to understand is don't be afraid to delegate, build a company culture, build a proper team, train, okay? And that will allow you, again, you as the business owner, to have more free time to scale your company. The second big lesson I've learned running a 6-figure agency is that client retention is way better than new revenue, okay? Client retention is way better than new revenue. And I'll tell you for why, okay? For the longest time in my business, for the first 12 months, I was going through a vicious cycle. I would close deals and 30, 60, 90 days later, I would lose the clients. Then I would close more deals and I would lose the clients. And I would close more deals and lose and close and lose, and it was a vicious cycle. Now, why was that? It's because I never focused on client retention. Obviously, I'm not saying don't focus on new revenue. You should 100% focus on scaling your business. But you shouldn't focus so hard on scaling your company that you just completely disregard your current clients. You need systems in place to get them great results. You need to focus on making sure every single second that they spend with you and your agency is amazing. From the second they know who you are, from the second they hop on a sales call, when they go through your onboarding process, when you send them reports, every part of that process needs to be as good as it possibly can be, okay? And I like to call this hedonic value, okay? This is where every single thing you do is at this peak level. You don't ever forget to send a report. You send reports on time, they're great, they're professional, you always send them on time. Your client should never have to ask, it should be in their inbox on the 1st of every month. Simple as that. You should get great results, okay? Good results so good that if they left you, they would be losing money. Make your clients so much money with your ads. Get so good at client results that if the client leaves you, it's gonna cost them tens of thousands of dollars a month, okay? So make it almost that they physically cannot leave you, and build a really good relationship with your clients as well. Now, I'm not saying you have to be best pals and go down the pub every Friday and have a meal at the restaurant every Saturday, meet the kids and the family. I'm not saying that. You don't have to be best buddies. This is strictly business, but build a bit of rapport, find out information about them, okay? And get to know them, because if you're kind of friendly with your clients as well, it's going to be very hard for them to just kick you to the curb and move on to another agency or to another business. So really focus on that client retention, because the easiest way for you to scale your business is to just not lose your clients. If you scale to 20K a month and lose all your clients within the next 30 days, you're back to zero, okay? It's better to maybe scale to 10K a month and just keep your clients, focus on that retention, because you can sometimes scale too quickly, all right? So Key number 2, focus on client retention, not just new revenue. Now, the third and final thing I've understood, and that's been really important to understand about being a six-figure agency owner, is that systems are literally everything. You need a system for everything in your business. A system for communication, a system for onboarding, a system for reporting, for results, for lead generation, for your sales calls. Your business needs to be a system. That's all, you know what? That's all a business is. A company and a business is just a bunch of systems put together, all right? And the sooner that you understand that, the sooner that you understand you're building systems and not just a business, that's what business is. It is systems, right? The sooner you understand that, the quicker you're going to be able to scale. And the way that you should look at your business is that you should be able to build your business and sell it off to somebody else tomorrow. They should be able to come in and run it as CEO. Your business should almost have like an instruction manual. It should be built to sell. Even if you never plan to franchise your company, sell your company, you should build it as if you can. You should build it as if you could give the keys to your business to somebody else tomorrow. They could sit down and it could just run on autopilot, okay? Systems are everything. Even if you don't plan to, like I said, sell your company, having everything as a system, it's going to allow for scale. It's going to be better in terms of time freedom for you. You're going to be able to travel. Again, you can focus on growing your company, or you can just enjoy your life and travel, right? But the sooner you understand that systems are key, and all building a business is building different systems, the sooner you'll find success. All right then guys, thank you so much for watching this video. I hope you found it helpful. Now, even though I've given you a ton of value in this video, if you feel like you still need some more direction, you still need help with exactly how to start your agency, how to scale your agency, how to land clients, what to say, how to onboard them, get results, so on and so forth, I do have a link to my training program down below called the Social Media Marketing Academy that has helped hundreds and hundreds of students go on to land clients, scale to six figures, and build a life of their dreams. So if you're interested in learning more, check out the sales page down below. It's got over 400 lesson resources, 100 plus videos, and a bunch of video, audio, and PDF content. So take a look at that. That's linked down below. It'd be great to have you enrolled. Thanks again so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.